The Course Shell Library offers a selection of pre-approved keys-aligned teaching shells for first-time instructors. These ready-to-use course shells are designed to help new instructors become familiar with the learning management system and require minimum customization. Before using any of these course shells, it is important to talk with your coordinator to ensure that the content aligns with the most current division requirements. Let's learn how to access the Course Shell Library. Log into KCTCS and sign in to the MyPath page. Locate the Teaching and Learning Center at the bottom of the page under your local links for Bluegrass. From the quick menu, expand for Faculty and select BCTC Course Shell Library. On the home page of the Course Shell Library, you will be provided information on how to use the course shell packages to develop a course or update an existing course. Read all the information before trying to export your package. Instructions for using the course package is broken into 2 different stages. Step 1, using the development shell that the instructor can maintain changes and copy from semester to semester. Then proceeding to Step 2, copying the development shell and updating the Start Here information. Or if you are deciding to use your current teaching course, Step 1, customizing your current teaching course, which is uploading the Course Shell Library package directly into your course, and then proceeding to Step 2 to finalize your Start Here information. Since these courses are exported and imported, all ADA issues will need to be addressed by the instructor. Accessibility tags are known to break with exported files rather than copied files. A short tutorial is provided to learn how to navigate and update the Start Here module, which is mandatory in all courses. Below all the instructions and information, you will find a list of courses included in the Course Shell Library. Courses are updated or added each semester as to offer more courses as the quality assurance process continues. To use the course packages from the Course Shell Library, expand the division needed and select the course. The course titles will tell you if it is an OER course and what year the course expires. Once you select the course that you need, the course page will provide information about the course, the class materials, and important notes are provided on each course package page along with the zip package for import, a link to the coordinator shell, and a PDF of the directions viewed on the home page. You will also have the opportunity to peek inside the course before you download the package to get a bird's eye view of how the course is designed. Select the tile to enlarge the image. These are not readable text files. They are images for illustrations only. The tiles provide samples of the grading schema from the syllabus, the layout and design of the course. Each page also has contact support listed and a quick link back to the main page of the Course Shell Library. To use the course package, select the zip package that you prefer. Do not try to open up individual files and download the complete zip package to your device. Save the file in a location that is easy for you to access. Exit the zip package. To import the course package you selected into the Blackboard course you are developing or teaching, locate the BCT MyPath page and select the Blackboard Learn tile. Open up your course and select the course that you want to import the content into. At the top right corner of the course, select the ellipsis to access course options. Select Import Content and then select Import Course Content. Locate the zip package that was downloaded from your Course Shell Library. Once the file is highlighted, select Open. Blackboard will display a prompt notifying you that the course is being imported. Sometimes this process takes a few minutes. Once the material has been uploaded into your course, view each item in its entirety and read the descriptions to understand how to relocate specific items and update items. When a course has been exported and imported, all accessibility issues will need to be addressed. Select Books and Tools, Accessibility Report.